Did you know transmission failure is one of the most expensive repairs a driver can face, with replacement costs often ranging from $3,000 to $8,000 in the US? What makes it worse is that many automatic transmissions fail not because of a major defect, but because the fluid inside them was never changed at the right time. Japanese automakers like Toyota, Honda, Nissan, and Mazda have used a very different strategy for decades to keep transmissions alive far longer than most people expect. Instead of waiting until the transmission starts slipping, jerking, or overheating, Japanese maintenance philosophy focuses on preventive fluid flushing before the damage even begins. And today, we are going to reveal the 10 minutes Japanese transmission flush strategy that can save your car from an early death. First, you need to understand the real reasons of premature transmission failure. Most people believe that transmissions fail because of age alone, but that is not true. What really destroys transmissions is contaminated fluid. Transmission fluid does far more than simply lubricate gears. It cools the transmission, operates hydraulic circuits, controls clutch packs, prevents metal-to-metal contact, and helps create smooth shifts. Over time, the fluid begins to break down from heat. Tiny metal particles from clutch wear start floating through the system. Dirt, varnish, and sludge begin building up inside the valve body and transmission pan. Once that happens, the fluid can no longer protect the internal parts the way it should. That is when drivers start noticing delayed shifting, harsh gear changes, hesitation when accelerating, slipping between gears, or even strange whining noises. Unfortunately, by the time these symptoms appear, damage may have already started. Japanese mechanics are famous for preventing problems before they happen. Instead of waiting for the transmission to act up, they perform short, regular fluid refreshes to keep the fluid clean all the time. This is the secret behind why so many older Japanese cars still shift beautifully after decades on the road. Now let's discuss the 10-minute Japanese transmission flush strategy. This Japanese method is often called the drain and refill strategy. Instead of draining all 8 or 9 quarts of transmission fluid, you only drain a small amount, usually around 3 to 4 quarts, or just whatever drains out naturally from the pan's drain plug. Then, you top it back up with the exact same amount of fresh fluid. Let's show you exactly how to do this. Step 1. Check and prepare. First, always consult your owner's manual for the correct transmission fluid type. One of the most important Japanese transmission rules is to never use the wrong fluid. Many people assume all automatic transmission fluids are the same, but that is not true. Toyota uses WS fluid, Honda uses DW1, Nissan uses NS3, and Mazda has its own special formulas. Each fluid is designed for the exact clutch materials, pressure levels, and internal design of that specific transmission. This is critical. Using the wrong fluid can quickly ruin your transmission. Then, start your car and let it reach operating temperature to ensure the fluid flows easily. Once warm, carefully drive it onto car ramps or lift it safely using jack stands. And never work under a car supported only by a jack. Step 2. Locate the drain plug. The transmission drain plug is usually on the side or bottom of the transmission pan and looks like a large bolt. In some cars, it might be slightly hidden, so use your manual for reference. Now, position a drain pan directly underneath it. Step 3. Drain the fluid. Gently loosen the drain plug. Be prepared. The fluid might come out with some force. Let it drain completely. Don't rush this. While it's draining, take a good look at the fluid. Is it bright red? Or is it dark, brown, and smelling burnt? Dark, burnt fluid is a sign that your transmission has already been under significant stress. Healthy transmission fluid is usually bright red or pink and has a mild, sweet smell. Once the old fluid stops dripping from the drain point, measure exactly how much fluid came out. This is extremely important because you want to add back the exact same amount. This is because adding too much or too little fluid can cause shifting problems, overheating, and even internal damage. Step 4. Clean the plug and reinstall. Once the fluid is fully drained, wipe the drain plug and the surrounding area clean. Make sure the crush washer or gasket is in good condition, or replace it. This is a crucial step to prevent leaks. Then, reinstall the drain plug and tighten it according to your car's torque specifications. Do not over-tighten. Step 5. Refill with fresh fluid. Now go to the engine bay and find your transmission dipstick. It is typically labeled and located towards the back of the engine. Use a long neck funnel to prevent spills. This is the most important part. You need to add exactly the same amount of fresh fluid as you drained out. Remember that original amount you measured earlier? Pour it in now. Start with that amount and don't overfill it. Step 6. Check the level and enjoy the ride. Now start the engine, move the shifter slowly through every gear position, and let the fluid circulate for a minute or two. Finally, park the car on a level surface and check the transmission fluid level using the dipstick. Make sure the engine is running and the transmission is in park. The level should be within the hot or operating range on the dipstick. If it's low, add a small amount more and check again. Why is this strategy so powerful? To understand that, you need to understand what kills transmissions. Over time, heat, friction, and moisture degrade the transmission fluid. It loses its lubricating and cooling properties. Metal shavings and debris start to accumulate, acting like sandpaper on the gears and clutch packs. By doing partial drain and fills more frequently, you are continuously diluting the old, degraded fluid with fresh, clean fluid. Through this strategy, you are never letting the fluid get to that critical, dangerous point where it starts causing significant damage. Think of it like a dialysis for your car's transmission. You are constantly cleaning and refreshing the vital fluid, keeping it in top condition and preventing the buildup of harmful contaminants. This drastically reduces wear and tear, prevents overheating, and keeps those shifts silky smooth year after year. Why Toyota owners swear by this strategy? Toyota owners are some of the biggest believers in the drain and refill method, because Toyota transmissions are known for lasting an extremely long time when maintained correctly. It is common to see Toyota vehicles such as the Camry, Corolla, Tacoma, Highlander, and Lexus ES exceed 200,000 or even 300,000 miles with their original transmission. Toyota transmissions are especially sensitive to fluid quality because many of them rely on very precise hydraulic pressure. If the fluid becomes too dirty or breaks down, shifts can become rough, delayed, or inconsistent. In severe cases, drivers may notice slipping or a harsh bang when shifting into gear. There are many real-world examples of Toyota transmissions lasting far beyond expectations because of regular maintenance. Taxi fleets around the world often use Toyota vehicles because they are known for durability. In many of these fleets, transmission fluid is changed much more frequently than the manufacturer recommends. Toyota owners also know that using the wrong fluid can create serious problems. Many newer Toyota models require Toyota WS fluid, while older models may require Toyota Type T4. Using universal fluid instead of the correct type may save money in the short term, but it can cause long-term wear and poor shifting performance. That is why so many Toyota owners consider regular drain and refill services one of the best investments they can make for long-term reliability. And that's it. This Japanese-style partial drain and fill is a simple, effective way to keep your transmission healthy and prevent premature failure. By continuously introducing fresh fluid and diluting contaminants, you are giving your transmission the ultimate protection it needs. Make this a part of your regular maintenance routine, and subscribe the channel for more amazing car care tips and tricks.